Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. Got another car I'm getting ready to put on the lot here. I wanted to share it with you. This is a 2013 Chevy Malibu. It's a LS trim package, 2.5 liter engine in it. It does have gray cloth interior, so we'll just walk around the car. I want to show it to you. Actually, it's a very, I like this car. I've always liked Malibus, but I'm partial to them. Walk over here, show you the outside. Everything appears to be pretty nice and clean on it. Walk around here, show you the back. Now the trunk release has a button right here, but plenty of space back here, and as you can see, it's very clean. So let's go ahead and shut this. We'll continue to do our walk around. You do have a couple little scuffs right there, nothing major, but at least wanted to point those out. And what we'll get ready to do here in just a second, we'll go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, as promised, we got the inside here. You can see it's a gray color. Show you the headliner on it. The door panels, same gray color. So let's take a look up front. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. So do a little quick walk around here with the camera on the inside. I want to show you the instrument gauges here. And you can see the mileage as of now, 75,025 miles. So we'll pull back. You do have controls for your cruise control here on the left side of your wheel. And then on the right, you do have Bluetooth connectivity, so you can operate for your smartphone here, volume up and down. And we go over here, you can see your LCD display. And scroll down just a little bit, you've got your audio. And right here you have your climate control. Get down here, show you the gear shift. You do have, if I can get over here, a 12 volt here for your electronics. 2 cup holders. And you do have some storage space and additional connectivity with USBs down there. So a very nice car inside. And here we go, you can see the back seat. Center does fold down for armrest. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our tour for our newest addition to our family here. 2013 Chevy Cruze, 2.5 liter engine. Should get you a good fuel economy. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Come up for a test drive. And by the way, financing, we've got all kinds of options. If you've never bought a car before, no bank loan for a car, you're between 18 and 25. We could possibly get you in this with no money down if you've been at your job for a year, even if you've never had a bit of credit in your life. So please share this video if you know someone that has never had a car loan before. Might be able to get you in this, but we've got no money down programs, low money down programs, good credit, bad credit, everything in between. So feel free to touch base with us. Have a great day.